The first website you want to add to your bookmarks is macosicons.com. On Macos Icons, you can download alternative icons for your apps completely for free. And right now they have 25,000 icons. And if you're a designer, you can also design icons and upload them to Macos Icons so somebody else can use them. If you want to know how to change the icon of an app on macOS, stick till the end and I will show you how. The next website is macmenubar.com, where you can find over 1000 apps for your Mac's menu bar. They have a section with recently added ones, but you can also browse them using categories or the search bar. The third website is basicappleguy.com, where you can find wallpapers, merch, product reviews and so much more all around Apple. Everything on this website is just super high quality. Okay, you waited until now. Let me show you how to change the icon of an app. So once you have your alternative icon downloaded, open it in the Finder and copy it. Then go to Go in your menu bar and click on Applications. Now find the right app, select it and hit Command I. Now click the small icon in the top left corner and hit Command V and boom, changed. If you want to hear about even more websites, click this video. See you there.